the myth about FedEx stealing packages might fuck around and be true, bro. As y'all saw on the title, I had a package from Supreme stolen. I don't know who took it, but the bitch is not here. Plus, I got 2 packages that actually got here, so I'm gonna get into all that in this video today. If you're doing up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. You might as well anyways, because we're giving away this Supreme Iraq tee. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow NORI, which is my brand. That's gonna be dropping soon, you feel me? It's been prolonged a little bit, but at the top of next year, we're gonna start getting into it for real. So yeah, subscribe, follow NORI, DM me done on that page to secure your entry. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. First things first, let's get into this package, which I ordered with the shit that got stolen. So I'm gonna show y'all this first, and whoever has been watching the live cops, y'all should be able to figure out what got stolen. Off rip, we got a regular box logo sticker, nothing too special. And we also have a tee in here. This is the Play Dead tee. I'm gonna actually open this one up because I'm debating on keeping it. I don't really have any white Supreme tees, so should be a good one to have for summertime. Literally just says Play Dead on the front, which is that skate movie that Supreme dropped this year. Then on the back, you basically have all the stars in the movie, which shout out to Tyshawn. He actually won Thrasher Skater of the Year. He's been killing shit this year, but it does have that big ass box logo at the bottom, which if I'm being honest, the hype beast in me was drawn to that. Not gonna lie, I do love shit that has like simple wording on the front and then more shit on the back. So this is right up my alley. Now, if this shirt was black, it would have been one of my favorite pieces this season, simply because like I said, I do like shit like this with more shit on the back. It's just my cup of tea, bro. I'm gonna throw this one on, but before I do, when I ordered this shit, I ordered a black Mophie portable charger. Bro, the shit got plucked. I don't know who took it, like I was telling y'all, but somebody did. And the crazy part is, in my building, nobody really steals shit, bro. Like, something goes missing, people actually put papers saying like, yo, I got this. If you need that, let me know. Boom, bang, and they'll return it, bro. IDs be left down there. I went on vacation and packages were there from the time before I left to the time I came back. It was still there. So I have the suspicion that it had to be FedEx, bro. And the crazy part is, homie put a picture of the package being delivered. So it's on some shit like, bro left it there, boom, took a picture, and as soon as he posted that it got delivered, took that shit back and dipped off with it. Honestly, I emailed Supreme about it, but when it comes to Supreme, they'll fuck around and ban your shit for the rest of the season. So I was kind of iffy on hitting them up about it, but at the end of the day, it is $90 to $100 that I spent on an item that I didn't end up getting. Fuck it, bro. I need my money back. It is what it is. So I contacted Supreme. Hopefully I get my bread back. The shit is still sitting, so if they could send me a little replacement, I would take that too, because I was excited to get that shit in hand. But it is big L's for me, bro. Let me know if you've ever gotten a package stolen or some fool shit has happened to you with FedEx. Let me know in the comments your experience. This is honestly the second time where some bullshit happens. First time with FedEx, the second time in general. I did win a pair of Supreme Dunks, the joints that they remade with the stars on it in black. They never showed up, bro. They came, they were in my area, and they literally got shipped back to Supreme. That's probably my biggest L ever in the whole time I've been buying shit, because those were going for like $900. I don't know what they're going for now. I honestly stopped caring. This situation with my Mophie charger low-key brought back dark memories from the past. So if y'all have dealt with this in the comments, let me know what you did about it. I honestly never hit FedEx up because I had the idea that they'll be like, oh, but we sent a picture of it going out type shit. I almost completely just took the L, but my girl was like, yo, hit Supreme up. At the end of the day, if you get blocked for the rest of the season, we're at the end of it, and you could just use my name, my card type shit. So I was like, fuck it, let me email them. I'm still waiting to hear back. Hopefully I get my bread back, because shit, bro, we not trying to take this double L, low-key. But let me try this shirt on. This is low-key what I was trying to do after that shit happened to me. Then on the back, you got the skaters, directors and shit with the Supreme box logo under it. I think it's pretty clean, especially for spring, summer, when you can actually like wear a white tee with like some cool shorts, some nice little Prestos or something, feel me? boom, with some nice little shorts, nice fit. Y'all know my policy when it comes to white tees, so I gotta make sure when I wear this shit, it's for like a fit pick on a nice little day type shit, cause you don't know if it's gonna make it back. But yeah, let me know if y'all fuck with the Play Dead tee. Did y'all go for it? And honestly, put an F in the chat for the L I took on the Mophie. Now let's get into the second package, which is from Box Logo Week. I actually do have some more stuff on the way from Supreme, but I decided to wait on that, throw that in a little unboxing some other time. We got 2 regular box logos in this package, and then we got the only thing I got on Box Logo Week. It was this Cardinal box logo beanie. Low-key does look clean in person. I like the fact that the red and the red don't look too bad together. Decent, you feel me? Let me pull this one out for y'all. It's definitely darker than what the camera's portraying it to be, but it's not bad, you feel me? Really do wish I would have got the BOGO that week, but at least we got the beanie, you feel me? Let me throw this on for y'all. Boom. It's alright, you feel me? Supreme beanie. Bang. Got the New Era on the side. World Famous on the back. Decent. Let me know if y'all fucking with it in the comments. Did you end up hitting on Box Logo Week? I know a lot of y'all actually did. On that Travis Scott Jordan 1 live that I did, a lot of y'all was saying that y'all ended up copping the box logo. Shit, I was looking like the misfortunate one on the live. Still kind of feel that way. I guess this is a little consolation prize for not getting the crew neck, but yo, comment down below what color you picked up for the crew neck or the beanie. Also, while you're down there, let me know if you've ever gotten a package plucked away, whether it's from FedEx, Supreme sneakers app, the most bullshit that's happened to you trying to buy some heat. And I know this might have been a short video, but that's all I got for y'all today. If you did enjoy this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Make sure y'all subscribe anyway, because I'm giving away this Iraq tee. All you have to do is follow 1.NORI on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you DM me done on there to secure your spot. I'm gonna pick the winner once the Supreme season is over, so stay tuned. While you're down there, leave a like as well. It doesn't hurt, it's free. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.